Ozzy, are you helping?
Today we're packing up for a big trip, our year-long journey around the United States. So I am using two of these Husky toolboxes to store all of my kitchen and electronic gear. I really like these extra drawer systems that you can pop right on the top. I find them super helpful for corralling all the random things that you want to bring with you and that often get lost in bigger, looser bins. So stuff like measuring cups, chip clips, matches and extra cords, tie downs, extra pair of reading glasses, you know, just the kind of random things that you will miss when you don't have it. In the base of the box are all the larger items like pots and pans, food storage, colanders, a utensil kit, cups and plates, cleaning supplies, oven mitts, whatever. I got this GSI Outdoors Knife Set at a local REI store, and I really like it because it's roomy enough to hold extra utensils like forks and knives and spoons and spatulas and things. I also have a set of titanium chopsticks, my favorite spatula in the whole world, a can opener and a wine opener, and then a drying mat for washing dishes. This trip I'm using a basic Coleman 2-burner stove with the 1-pound bottles. My European kit had a really nice Primus stove, which I still love, but I felt this was one place where I could save some money and be okay with the trade-offs. There are certainly more compact options, but again, I'm fine with the value for the money with this stove. Lastly, I have one luxury item, a cordless handheld mixer, blender, and chopper. All right, now let's talk about how I'm powering that mixer. I came across this brand when I was living in the UK, and I took this same setup, a folding solar panel and 300-watt battery, with me on my European expedition. Because I plan to be off-grid for longer stretches here in the US, I've added a 500-watt bank as well to power the refrigerator. Both obviously can be recharged through wall outlets or 12-volt battery on your vehicle. But I also have the folding 100-watt panel. And as you can see, unfolded, it's quite large, but when it packs back down, it's really compact, which makes it great for storing in the Jeep. Additionally, it comes with a set of adapters so that it's compatible with a wide range of devices and makes it really convenient for use on the road. Now let's take a look at what I have in my lighting kit. First off, shout out to Brad at Trail Recon for recommending the Nebo flashlight. It's a great little device. Also in this kit are a headlamp, a small magnetic task light, a solar rechargeable lantern, and a torch that has a floodlight, lantern, and emergency beacon settings. The next two items are all about safety for Ozzy and myself. I'm using the SpotX GPS device, which allows me to share location tracking info, current location, or send SOS messages in case of an emergency. I've had a Garmin InReach in the past, but was never really happy with it. I do like this SpotX better for the integrated keyboard and more intuitive map sharing. The Waggle pet monitor measures temperature and humidity inside the Jeep and sends me alerts to my phone when it goes outside my predefined ranges. Last bit of tech I'll share are my video entertainment gadgets. I've got a portable monitor that I can tether to my phone to watch videos using my cell plan. My brother gave me this little guy to keep us company on our trip. Ain't he cute? This is a Kodak mini projector paired with an Amazon Fire Stick. It becomes a portable TV or theater. I think I'm going to try projecting this on my awning side wall so I can have movie night sometime. We'll see how that goes.
Ozzy, are you helping?
So here's all the stuff that needs to go in the Jeep. It's my 12-volt fridge, a tent, recovery gear, the camp stove, dog gear, the two big Husky boxes, 2 chairs, one for me, one for Ozzy. Yes, he likes his own chair. I have a Maxi Trac air compressor from Napa Auto, my tool roll full of everything you'd expect, hiking boots, shoes, food box, a sleeping bag and tripod, and then clothes for all seasons that I've put in these compression sacks. What do you think? Will it all fit? Let's get started loading it up. First off, let's pop the tent top so I can store the sleeping bag up in there. The sleeping bag is now safely stored up in the camper top, and let's start putting the rest of the stuff in the Jeep. The back seat is where I'm putting things that I'll want easy access to, also keeping heavy items like the air compressor and tool roll down in the footwells, which is just one step to manage weight distribution throughout the Jeep. Look at that smile, he knows an adventure's coming. I'm still perfecting this setup, but to get started, it's the boxes in the back with soft storage on top of that. You might be asking why I haven't done like a rear seat delete or installed a drawer system, and my short answer is I still want to be able to use my back seat. I do have passengers that are going to want to ride with me every so often throughout this journey, so I need the flexibility. Also, I've learned throughout my travels that taking some time off of the road when you're on a trip this long is really beneficial for health and well-being, and it's nice to be able to just pull everything out of the Jeep, get her clean, reset, and then start the journey again. And that, friends, is what I am bringing on a year-long journey around the United States. We're leaving soon, so be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted when new videos are available. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.